Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to Nageshkar Orchid School channel, Sholapur. I am Nikita teacher teaching you social studies for grade 3. Yes children, what we are going to do today? In today's session, we are going to start with a new lesson, that is lesson number 6, Mumbai. Have you visited Mumbai? Yes children, have you went to Mumbai? Okay, if you have not went to Mumbai, I will explain you what are there in Mumbai, what are the tourist places we can visit, what type of food the people they are eating, which food are famous in Mumbai, yes, and what type of climate, clothes the people they are wearing, we will discuss in this lesson. And actually we have, in the last session we have discussed about Delhi city, okay. What are the famous places, what local government offices are there, and where we can visit, what are the tourist attraction we have discussed in the last chapter, that is Delhi chapter. Even we have discussed about climate and people they are wearing, which type of clothes they are wearing, we have discussed in the last lesson, in the previous lesson, that is Delhi. Now let's visit. Are you excited to visit Mumbai? Yes children? If you have not visited Mumbai, let's see how is Mumbai. Okay children, are you ready? Very good. Let's start with the new lesson. Yes, what we are going to start with? New lesson, that is lesson number 6, Mumbai. Yes children? Mumbai. Let's see Mumbai. In Mumbai what we are going to learn? In this lesson what you are going to learn? You are going to learn about the city Mumbai. How is Mumbai? Yes? We are going to see its location and climate. We are going to see where the Mumbai is located and what type of climate Mumbai is having. Its food. Second point, what we are going to see? Its food and festival. What we are going to see? Food and festival. We are going to see what type of food and festival are famous in Mumbai. Its industries and institutions. Which industries are there and which institutions are there in Mumbai. Okay? And we are going to see the language spoken, what type of language spoken in Mumbai. And next point, what we are going to discuss, the places of tourist interest. Means just like as we have learned in the previous lesson, that Delhi, there are so many interesting places that you can visit. Okay, in the same way Mumbai is having such places you can visit and you can have a fun. Okay. And next what we are going to discuss, transport in the city. What type of transport facilities were there? In the previous session also we have discussed about transport. They are having rail, air and water. 3 types of transports are available in Delhi. Let's see what about Mumbai transport. Okay children? Now location. We are going to learn about location. What is the location of Mumbai? As you know, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. What Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra? As you can see the map. How is Mumbai? Where is the Mumbai? Yes. Previously Mumbai is known as Bombay. Okay. Now after Bombay it named as Mumbai. Okay children. That's why Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. As you know, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Till some times ago it was known as Bombay. As I told you, till some time ago, in the previous means there was some time ago it was known as Bombay. Now we are telling them as Mumbai. Okay, we are saying that Mumbai, but previous time they were calling as a Bombay. Okay. Now it is situated on the west coast of India. Where it is situated, Mumbai? On the west coast of India, facing to Arabian Sea. Where is Arabian Sea? Yes, it is here. Here is an Arabian Sea, and it is situated on the west coast of India. Mumbai has the largest port in India. As you know, Mumbai is having the largest port in India. Yes. All the important officers of the government of Maharashtra are located in Mumbai. As in Delhi also there are so many government offices. In the same way Mumbai is also having important offices of government of Maharashtra are located in Mumbai. Okay. Mumbai is having government of Maharashtra. Okay. In the same way the governor, the chief minister and the other minister live and work here. Who are working in Mumbai? The governor, the chief minister and other minister live and work here. Now let us see about climate. What we are going to see about climate. How is the climate in Mumbai? Okay. The climate of Mumbai is moderate. How is the climate of Mumbai? It is moderate. In Delhi, how is the climate? It is hot and humid. But in Mumbai, how is the climate? It is moderate, and it is a warm and humid in summer. In summer, how is the climate? It is warm and humid. Okay, and in pleasant in winter. How is the climate in winter? It is pleasant, but in summer it is warm and humid. And June, July and August are the monsoon months with very heavy rainfall. Yes children, how is the climate of Mumbai? Mumbai is a moderate. It is a warm and humid in summer, okay, and pleasant in winter. And on which month the rainfalls come in Mumbai? In the month of June, July and August are the monsoon months with a very heavy rainfall. Yes, you can see in the picture. This is the climate of summer season, which is how is the climate in summer season? Warm and humid. In winter season, how is the climate? Pleasant. And in monsoon season, it's rain very heavily. Okay. Next, see. Now let us discuss about food. Okay. As you know, if you visit to Mumbai, what is the famous food in Mumbai? What type of food you can eat? Means which is a famous food in Mumbai? We will see. Okay, in this chapter. As you know, bhel puri, vada pav and pav bhaji are the popular street food. Yes, these are the popular street food. Bhel puri, vada pav and pav bhaji are the popular street food. If you visit to Mumbai, if you have fun with vada pav or pav bhaji, you can eat in Mumbai. Okay, when you visit to Mumbai, if you are planning to visit with your family. Yes, even Shrikhand is the popular sweet dish. Which sweet dish is popular in Mumbai? Shrikhand, as we are eating in our home also. But the popular sweet dish is in Mumbai. That means Shrikhand is popular sweet dish of Mumbai. And did you know children? Till 100 years ago, Mumbai was group of even small islands. As you know, Mumbai was a group of small islands. The people living here were mostly fisher flock who worship the goddess Mumba Devi. Yes, the people who were mostly living, who is that fisher flock, and whom they worship? The goddess Mumba Devi, after whom the city is believed to be named as Mumba Devi. Okay, that named as Mumbai. Okay, that's why it is famous. Who worship the goddess Mumba Devi? Fisher flocks. Okay. Now let's see about festivals. Okay children, what type of festivals the Mumbai they are celebrating? In Mumbai they are celebrating. Though Ganesh Chaturthi is the most popular festivals, all the important festivals are celebrated here. All the important festivals are celebrated in Mumbai. Okay. As you know, Ganesh festival is the most popular festival. Where it is celebrated? It is celebrated in Mumbai. Yes, all over the world, all over the world we are celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi. But the most popular festival we celebrated in Mumbai. Now, what type of language they are speaking? Which type of language they are speaking in Mumbai? If you visit Mumbai, you can see people from different parts of India living and working here. As you see, the people they are living from, people from different parts of India. They are living and working here. For what purpose the people they are coming to Mumbai? To live and for working. Yes, most of the people live here. The people who are living in Mumbai, which type of language mostly they speak? They speak Marathi and Konkani. And even apart from that, they are speaking Hindi, Urdu, Gujarati, English and many other languages also. Okay, but most of the people live here, and most of the people, which type of language they are speaking? Marathi and Konkani. Okay, and Hindi, Urdu, Gujarati, English, this type of a language also they are speaking, and many other Indian language also they are speaking. Okay. Now let's visit the tourist attraction. If you visit the Mumbai, if you want to enjoy and have a fun, where you will visit? Let us discuss which places you can visit when you go to Mumbai. A large number of tourists visit Mumbai every year. As you know, a large number of people visit. For what purpose they are visiting Mumbai? To see the tourist places. These are so many tourist places. Okay, we are going to discuss in detail. Okay, an important landmark is the Gateway of India, where you can visit to a Gateway of India, as it is an important landmark in Mumbai. Okay. And close to it, what you can see? There are a statue of Shivaji and Swami Vivekanand. Okay, what you can see in Mumbai? There you can see a statue of Shivaji Maharaj and Swami Vivekanand. Okay, and even some of the other places of tourist interest are, if you want to visit to the other places, okay, to have a fun, where you can visit, yes, like a Marine Drive. Okay, whenever you will visit, that time you don't forget to visit Marine Drive. When you visit to Marine Drive, you will enjoy a lot. Okay, and you can visit to Canary Caves. Yes, Essel World. I think you will have a lot of fun in Essel World. Yes, it will be the memorable trip when you plan to go to Mumbai. If you visit the Essel World, it is very interesting place. Whenever you will visit, you can find so many interesting places you can visit to Mumbai, like Marine Drive, Canary Caves, Essel World. Even you can visit to Hanging Gardens, Kamla Nehru Park, Jahangir Art Gallery. Jahangir Art Gallery also, Tarapola Aquarium, Haji Ali Dargah. Yes, even Siddhivinayak Temple and Mount Mary Church. Yes, as I think you have seen in many films, Siddhivinayak temples also, even in Mount Mary Church also, many films we have seen. So many is this type of church. When they have visited, they have shooting, that time we can come to know. If once you are visiting to Mumbai, you can go personally, you can have a fun, you can visit so many places in Mumbai. Yes, even there are many beaches in Mumbai. Even they are having many beaches in Mumbai, like Chowpatty, Virosora Marve, Juhu Park. Yes, okay, and even what is there? There is 10 kilometers from Mumbai are Elephanta Cave. What are there? Elephanta Caves. See, as you can see, this is a Elephanta Cave. Okay, there are 4 rocks cut temple in these caves. Okay, even they are having 4 rock cut temples in these caves. As you know, people, did you know Marine Drive is also known as Queen of Necklace? Yes, this is because when seen from height at night, when you seen from the height at night, how it is the Marine Drive, it is look like a Queen of Necklace. This is because what? When it seen from a height at night, the street lights along Marine Drive looks like a shining necklace. Once you visit at night the Marine Drive, how it looks like a shining necklace. Okay, now let's see about transport. What type of transport they are having? Yes, children, the city has one of the best public transport system in India. As you know, Mumbai is having one of the best public transport system in India. Most of the people commute by bus and local trains. Once you visit to Mumbai, you can see many of the people, they are traveling by bus or by local trains. Even they are called as suburban trains. Now, as we are living in Sholapur, yes children, we are living in Sholapur, then what type of traveling we prefer? Most of the time, how you are coming to school? With your parents, by bike or by car, or some of them are coming, rarely some of them are coming by bus, but some of the children, they are coming by school bus, no doubt. Okay, but in Mumbai, wherever you can find, most of the time people, how they are visiting? With the help of bus and by the local trains. But in Sholapur, have you seen many of the people, they are visiting by bus? No, they are traveling by auto rickshaw. Even bus, most of the few of the people, they are visiting by bus. Yes, but in Sholapur we are not having local trains. Okay, that's why Mumbai is having which type of transport facilities they are having? Bus, local trains. Yeah, they are, because Mumbai life is too busy. As you can see, there's so much rush is there near the bus. Yes, even railway station, local train, once you visit, you can see how is the scenario of local trains, and when you visit, you can see the bus scenario also, how the Mumbai transport is there. Okay, transport. The Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport is one of the busiest airport in the country. As you know, Mumbai is having a airport. That airport named is what? Named as Chhatrapati Shivaji International Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, and which is the busiest airport in the country. Suppose if you are planning to go to out of city like a foreign country, if you want to visit directly, you are going from Sholapur to foreign country, no, that time what you are going to do? By train or by bus or by car, you go to Mumbai. From Mumbai you will reach to airport, from airport you will go to foreign country. In the same way, that's why the Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport is the busiest airport in the country. Now let's see what are the industries and institutions are there in Mumbai. As you know, Mumbai is having many factories. Yes, Mumbai is having many factories. These factories makes textile. What is there? Which type of factory it is having in Mumbai? Textile factory. Medicines and oil factory. Yes, you can see so many pharmaceutical company in Mumbai, and even we are having oil factory. Even Mumbai is having so many oil factories. Okay, chemicals and electronic goods also. Okay, in Bombay high of the Mumbai coastlines, one of India's important oil field. As you know, Mumbai is having an important oil field. Yeah, it lies on where? Mumbai coastline, one of the India's most important oil field. Here, crude oil is extracted from the seabed. How is the oil crude? Crude oil is extracted from where? From the seabed. Petrol and diesel are produced from this crude oil. Now, however, we are using our car, bikes. Yes, for that sake we require petrol and diesel also. Then from how they are producing? From this crude oil. Okay. Now, important institution in Mumbai are Bhabha Atomic Research Center, that we can say is at a short form BARC. As you can see, there is an important institution in Mumbai, that is Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, as you can see, a big institute, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, and even Indian Institute of Technology. And you can see Mumbai also a thriving film city. Yes, you can see Mumbai is famously known as a film city, thriving over wherever we are watching movies. Where will the shooting? Most of the time Mumbai they are having a shooting, that is known as film industry, commonly called as Bollywood. Okay, there is having a big film city in Mumbai, and we can use the commonly word is known as Bollywood. Yes, as you can see. Did you know, children, the Rajiv Gandhi Sea Link, also known as Bandra-Worli Sea Link, was opened to traffic in March 2010. This bridge across the sea cuts the travel time from Bandra to Worli by almost an hour. Yes, this is the Rajiv Gandhi Sea Link. Yes, and also known as Bandra-Worli Sea Link, was opened in when? It was opened to traffic in March 2010. Yes, this bridge across the sea that cuts the travel time from Bandra to Worli by almost an hour. Yes, how locate to Bandra to Worli on the map of in Mumbai? As you can see, there is a world map of India. In the world map, page number 18, and you can see how the location of Bandra to Worli is there. Yes, how they have cut the travel time from Bandra to Worli by almost an hour. Okay. Now, what you have learned in this lesson, children? As you have learned that Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. What you have learned? Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. And even you have learned it is an important port. Port means what? Airport. How is the airport of Mumbai? It is the busiest airport. Okay. And you have seen the climate also. How is the climate in Mumbai? It has a moderate climate. In summer, how is the climate? Hot and humid. And in winter, how is the climate? Yes, children. In winter, how is the climate? It is pleasant. And in the month of June, July and August, there is a monsoon season which rains heavily in Mumbai. Okay. and it has many industries and important institutions. As we have discussed in the lesson, they are having so many institutions, yes, and many industries also. As you can see, Bhabha Atomic Research Center is there, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research is there, and Indian Institute of Technology also there. And even there is a industry which is the industry famous for, it is famous for textile, medicines, oil, chemicals and electronic goods. As you have learned in the next point what you have learned, there are many places of tourist interest in Mumbai. If you want to visit to Mumbai, then which place you are going to visit? There are so many interesting places where you can visit, like Marine Drive you can visit, Kanihiri Cave, Kamla Nehru Park is there, Siddhivinayak Temple you can visit, Mount Mary Church you can visit, you can go to Chowpatty to have fun, Juhu Park, yes, Elephanta Caves you can visit. So many interesting tourist places are there to visit in Mumbai. Yes children, thank you children. What you are going to do, we have completed here the lesson, okay? What we have completed lesson. Now what you are going to do children, you are going to open your Canopy textbook. Yes, now we are going to read this lesson. You are going to open your Canopy textbook and you are going to open page number 31 and you are going to read the lesson with the help of audio. Yes children, you are going to read the lesson with the help of audio. Wait, yes, are you ready children? Yes, yes children, now we are going to start with the reading with the help of audio. You have to read carefully with the help of audio. Are you ready children? Okay, let's start reading with the help of audio.
Mumbai. At the end of this lesson, you will learn about the city of Mumbai, its location and climate, its food and festivals, its industries and institutions, the languages spoken, the places of tourist interest, transport in the city. Where are most of the Hindi films made? What is the Hindi film industry commonly known as?
Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Till some time back, it was known as Bombay. It is situated on the west coast of India, facing the Arabian Sea. Mumbai has the largest port in India. All the important offices of the government of Maharashtra are located in Mumbai. The governor, the chief minister, and other ministers live and work here. Climate. The climate of Mumbai is moderate. It is warm and humid in summer and pleasant in winter. June, July and August are monsoon months with very heavy rainfall.
Did you know, till 100 years ago, Mumbai was a group of 7 small islands. The people living here were mostly fisher folk who worshipped the goddess Mumbai Devi, after whom the city is believed to be named.
Food. Bhel puri, vada pav and pav bhaji are popular street foods. Srikhand is a popular sweet dish of Mumbai. Festivals. Though Ganesh Chaturthi is the most popular festival, all the important Indian festivals are celebrated in Mumbai. Languages spoken.
If you visit Mumbai, you can see people from different parts of India living and working here. Most people living here speak Marathi and Konkani, Hindi, Urdu, Gujarati, English, and many other Indian languages are also spoken.
Tourist attractions. A large number of tourists visit Mumbai every year. An important landmark is the Gateway of India. Close to it are statues of Shivaji and Swami Vivekananda.
Some of the other places of tourist interest are Marine Drive, Kamperi Caves, Essen World, Hanging Gardens, Kamla Nehru Park, Jahangir Art Gallery, Karwa Karolpara Aquarium, Haji Ali Dargah, Siddhivinayak Temple, and Mount Mary Church.
There are many beaches in Mumbai like Chowpatty, Versova, Marve and Juhu. 10 kilometers from Mumbai are the Elephanta Caves. There are 4 rock-cut temples in these caves.
Did you know Mahbub Drive is also known as the Queen's Necklace? This is because when seen from a height at night, the street lights along the main drive look like a shiny necklace.
Transport.
The city has one of the best public transport systems in India. Most of the people commute by bus and local trains, also called suburban trains. The Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport is the busiest airport in the country.
Industries and institutions. Mumbai has many factories. These factories make textiles, medicines, oils, chemicals and electronic goods.
Did you know the Rajiv Gandhi ceiling, also known as the Bandra Workley ceiling, was opened to traffic in March 2010. This bridge across the sea cuts the travel time from Bandra to Worli by almost an hour. Locate Bandra and Worli on the map of Bombay on page 89.
In Bombay High, off the Mumbai coast, lies one of India's most important oil fields. Here, crude oil is extracted from the seabed. Petrol and diesel is produced from this crude oil. Important institutions in Mumbai are the Bhabha Atomic Research Centre, BARC, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, TIFR, and Indian Institute of Technology, IIT. Mumbai also has a thriving film industry commonly called Bollywood.
Yes children, you have learned this lesson with the help of audio. Yes children, now what you are going to do? Already we have completed our lesson number 6, Mumbai. What you have learned in Mumbai? Yes, we have learned about the location of Mumbai, where it is located. Yes, it is located on the west coast line near the Arabian Sea. Yes, we have discussed about climate. Yes, what type of food famous on street food, which is the street food famous in Mumbai, we have learned. Which type of language the people they are speaking in Mumbai. We have discussed about festival, which is the most important festival celebrated in Mumbai. As you know, Ganesh Chaturthi is the most important festival celebrated in Mumbai. And even we have learned about so many interesting places where you can visit when you are planning to visit to Mumbai. You can visit so many such a beautiful places to have fun with your family. Even we have discussed what type of transport facilities the Mumbai they are having, and we have discussed about so many factories, industries are there in Mumbai. Yes, we have learned in this lesson. And in the next session, what we are going to do, children? In the next session, we are going to see some question answer session, even presentation, textbook exercise. Yes children, till that time what you are going to do, I will give you a homework. Till that time what you are going to do, you are going to open your Canopy textbook and you are going to start reading with lesson number 6, that is Mumbai. You are going to open page number 31, and when you start reading lesson number 6, wherever you find hard words, you have to underline those hard words, and after underlining those hard words, you have to learn those hard words. Yes, in the next session we will meet again with the lesson number 6, that is Mumbai. Okay children, till that time, bye bye, see you, take care, thank you.